Oh, what's this? I didn't see you there. I'm just kidding. I definitely saw you there. Want a cocktail? Here's one from... Whoa. Here's a cocktail from this book. Mystic Libations. Frostbite. First, you're gonna need to grab a glass. Then get yourself some sugar. 2 and 2 together. Rim the glass with something sticky. I've got agave syrup. There's probably easier ways of rimming your glass, but this was the first one I came up with. Delicious. Add a little sugar. Give it a nice job on the rim. You know what I'm saying. Rimmed to perfection. Get yourself a shaker. Into one side goes a big cube and a few little cubes. This recipe calls for light rum, so I'm gonna take the lightest rum bottle that I have. Add 2 ounces, or about 60 milliliters of that light rum to your glass. The recipe also calls for white cranberry juice, but the whitest juice that I have in the house is white grape, so we're just gonna have to settle for that. Smells wonderful. 2 ounces of that as well. You're also gonna need an ounce of blue Curacao, and I'm gonna opt in for the non-alcoholic syrup this time. Whoop. We'll also need half an ounce, or 15 milliliters, of lime juice. Ooh, delightful. Go ahead and give that sucker a shake. We're gonna need to serve this over some crushed ice, so get yourself some crushed ice. My method is actually very simple. Grab yourself some ice, wrap it up into a bag, grab your safety goggles, and crush it with a wrench that you sanitized after picking it up off the street. It's that easy. Remove your safety glasses. Feel proud about your ice bag. Put away the wrench that you found, and void the contents of your bag into your glass. Nice. Go ahead and pour that out over the top. It's honestly not called for, but I think this would look nice with a little umbrella on top. Ooh, look at that. Nice. With all that ice, I feel like it is bound to give you frostbite, especially when you put your mouth up to it. The fruit juice and lime juice combo is really, really good. I don't think I've ever actually tried white grape and lime juice together, but it's an excellent combination. Plus it looks cool, and it's my favorite color, and I got to put some energy into it. I'm not really tasting much of the alcohol in here at all. Perhaps that works for you. It most definitely works for me. It's getting cold over here in the States. Try not to get frostbite.